Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. You guys can check them out. Their link to their website will be down below. And to contact them, email will also be down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is coming from my good friends over at MagaBox. This is Mg5 Plus, brand new for the 2026 season. Definitely check this guys out. If you're looking to cut your cords, this is the perfect one to get. This has everything you need. A voice remote, 4G RAM, 64 gig RAM, 2T, 2R, Wi-Fi 6, 8K Ultra HD. See, 4 gigs, 64 Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and the same on the side. Voice control, OTA, Android 12 as the newest one, 8K. This is what you get when you order. Of course, you get the good old manual, but it's fairly simple to set up. Easy peasy, no issues. The power cord, basic one. We got the HDMI right there. And we get the nice remote. This is a different remote style from the other ones. Easy to use. Feels good right around there. Nice easy push buttons. Power to control the in. You can use a little mouse as like a view type deal. You can hook up your Prime Video account, your Google account, Google TV, voice mode, live TV, video on demand. I'm not sure what the EPG is. We'll figure that out later. And of course, you're probably going to need AA. This probably be the hardest part of the video. Mother. I don't got no nails, so it's kind of hard to grip. Whoa, sorry about that. Where the heck can I just slide it? Oh lordy. It's gonna be one of those type videos. You can't even open remote control. Where are the grooves? AAA. Okay, dokie. So you pop those in, and now here she is, the MagaBox. Ooh, baby. Usually they're blue, so this is nice looking Mg5 Plus. You got the LED digital display, power button right there, USB 2.0, 3.0, TF slot, restore button, non-slip guards, easy peasy. You can put this anywhere. And here's that. And here's the back. You can hook up your SBDIF, your AV, HD, LAN. I'm going to do Wi-Fi. It's easier for me because I'm not sure what room I'm going to keep this in. And there you go. There's that. So, got a dual antennas. Maybe pick up some alien singles. You never know. Nice finish though. Super lightweight. So if you're in the market, now's the time to get these before they sell out. So definitely check it out. Link down in the description. And next is going to be hopping over to the other TV, setting this up. And it's going to get a verification stuff. So once you email them, it'll be good to go. But I'm not going to use this because I already got HDMI's running to the TV. Got to pop the batteries in, and we'll be over in a second. Hey guys, once you plug it in, see there's a nice little digital display. Nice and blue. So easy. I just got to hook up the HDMI, as you can see, and run some updates and all that good stuff. Got to set up your Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi. If not, use your LAN, plug it in, and I'll show you the rest. Okay, now it's going to ask you to set up the remote control. It's got a clicky, and then press OK, and the volume minus. So these right here. Be right back. Hey guys, once you plug it in, see there's a nice little digital display. Nice and blue. So easy. I just got to hook up the HDMI, as you can see, and run some updates and all that good stuff. Gotta set up your Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi. If not, use your LAN, plug it in, and I'll show you the rest. Okay, now it's gonna ask you to set up the remote control. It's got a clicky, and then press OK, and the volume minus. So these right here. Be right back.